Hip wow, come back. And toes are turn on the right side, spinal twist. Hip wow, come back and toes again, relax it. Thumb jump, keep your both legs straight. A little overlaps, move your legs. Mucho jump head. Jump head, mucho. Yes, now. Just continuous movement. Moving in, out, your toes, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. So that the movement will start coming from your hip. Good. Relax your knees, move your knees up and down. Both legs closer. Toes point. Flex your feet. Toes point. Flex your feet. Again toes point. And then flex your feet. Rotation and rotation. You glide and you clockwise. And just relax it. So we'll go some preparatory practice. Your left leg put on your right upper thigh. Chancha. Chancha. Yes. And then push your left knee down for a few times. 1. Remember, do not put your toes on the thigh. Caution, your ankle should be come on the upper thigh. Otherwise, it can be harmful for your ankle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Okay, sorry. Other side. Right leg on the left upper thigh. We'll go slowly, slowly, and step by step in the hip opening practice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Relax your right leg. Bend your left leg under your hip. But remember, dao be dao, kochen dao, khom kan gapcha. Here go. Yeah. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax your leg. Right leg under your hip. The same. Try to knee closer and your spine straight. 1, monk swan, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax your right leg. And now come in the butterfly. Hold your feet. And swing your both knee together. Continuous. Tiyatto. Continuous. Tiyatto. Nyan nyan. Little fast. Very good. Put your both palm on the knee. And now the same like before. Slowly push the knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more time, then 10. Everybody, tadka, hit wow. And when it toes up, hold the breath out and squeeze one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit wow, come back. And now gapchan and then just chokchan. Second time, lung high. Again, hit wow and toes slowly try to be bent out. Hold both thumb low. 1, 2, 3, little bit, 4, 5, and now 6. Hit wow, come back. Toes are relaxed. Again, gapchan and then chokchan. We go third time, lung bar. This time, another option. So this time just try to make a gap in between your feet. Gap. Here, make the gap. Little gap. Good. Now thang lung first, spine straight, and everybody high thigh. Hit wow, thang thigh thang lung, and toes up, two, push on, much push on, thigh. You have to try your head, your arms and the spine should be aligned. Just stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Come back everyone. Gapchan and then Tharuchan. Keep your both legs straight. We'll go down another sequence. So this time your left foot with your right inner thigh. Thangchan 5. Thangchan 5. Yes. Hit bow, high thigh length. And toes are slowly to just koi swam. Try to hold your right foot, stomach in. Keep stretching your spine, especially from the lower back. Lock your knee. 3, 4, and 5. Hit bow, high thigh length. And toes are now this time little turn on your left side. The same, just a little change. Stretch your arms and stretch your spine. 1, stomach in everybody. 2, flex your right foot. 3, keep stretching. 5, and now 6. Enough. Hit bow, high thigh length, and toes are then high thigh swan. Very good. Bend your left leg now. Another. These all are the very gentle hip stretch sequence. Thumb root first. And now slowly lift your left leg up. After, you can try to pull your leg to your side. You see how maximum. You feel this is enough, that's it. Any member can do more, so you can try to do more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Very good. Left leg put on your right upper thigh. In the beginning we did the preparatory practice, so this time we'll come in the posture. Ankle on the upper thigh. Hit bow, high thigh length. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale, slowly just try to bend down. Hold your right foot, you can flex your right foot. 1, 2, keep stretching your spine. 3, 4, and now 5. Very good. Hit bow, high thigh length. And toes are this time a big turn on the left side. Same like before. Stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Hit bow, high thigh length, and toes are then high thigh swan. We go for the next practice because in hip, today class our hip opening. Please tell them. Today class is the hip opening. So in the hip opening, we will work in the different part of our pelvic, like our hamstring, outer hamstring, inner hamstring, our outer thigh, inner thigh. So there are so many things to practice for it. So in the beginning, we are just going very gentle things. So now you try your both knee in a one line, same like me. Very good. And flex your feet. Good. Bend forward. Same. Hold your right foot. Flex the right foot. Your abdomen. Boom. You have to put on your upper leg. Pull it. Push it. And then slightly push one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. From here, I will take you the next, a very bigger practice. Your left ankle put on your right knee. You come. Very good. And now your right ankle put under your left knee. Yes? It's not same like this. No. Feel the difference. Ankle and the knee align, both legs. Good. Okay. Maybe some member knee is going up. It's maybe because of the hip stiffness. So in that case, you can take the blow just for the relaxation. Feeling difficult, just go, đau chân, so you can take the pillow for it. Flex your feet, and after you have to be bent forward. Konga, thang lung, and then try to be bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, and then drop your head down. 1, with a sitting fire pose. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Very gentle sequence. Okay, keep your legs straight, and now your right foot with your left inner thigh. Hit wow, hai thigh lane, and toes are then position bend forward. Hold your left foot and flex your left foot and lock your left knee. 3, spine straight, thang long. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, both arms up, high thigh lane, and exhale, toes up, turn a bit on the right side. Main focusing on your breath, main focusing to keep stretching your spine from your lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now relax. Inhale, high thigh lane, both arms up, and exhale, then relax. Bend your right leg and hold your right foot. Spine straight. Thumb and chai. Right leg. Yes. Inhale, lift your right leg, flex the right foot, and then try to pull your leg to your side. You have to pull the leg where you feel enough and feel comfortable. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right leg put on your left upper thigh. Hit wow, high thigh lane, and exhale, toes up, bend down, hold your left foot and flex your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale,